Well, Lyft is cutting rates for drivers yet again. Just when you thought that maybe Lyft was being the better company than Uber, Lyft decided to give us all a big fat a little poo-poo, right? That's what we're talking about today, how Lyft is lowering rates for drivers. So please thumbs up the video so more people can see it, and let's hop in. So before I jump in, I did want to share with you all WorkSolo. This is a new app for business gig workers. So if you drive for any of these apps, as you can see right here, Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, all these ones, when you sign up right now, we have a special offer. They're gonna send you $10 just for signing up totally for free. Anywhere in the country, in the United States, you can get 10 bucks just for signing up for free. They will help you literally manage your business. If you are an active driver, you should be using this app. There's no reason not to. And you can also sign up for guaranteed shifts, guaranteed pay shifts. As you can see, like right here, when you sign up for Uber at 10 a.m., for example, this is on the App Store, they're gonna pay you $37. That's an example. $38 for DoorDash, $37 for Uber here. So you can basically type in these little shifts and start making hundreds of extra dollars, per week with that. So check out Solo, link below, claim your $10, and let's get started. So the Rideshare Guy, well, Chris from the Rideshare Guy, they shared this screenshot, which I have for you all, which we can look at. This is basically the update. The temporary 55 cents rider fuel surcharge ends on September 28th. That's in 3 days. So we all know that Lyft created a temporary fuel surcharge. Basically, the reason they do this is so that they don't have to raise rates for drivers. And that's the last thing they want to do, is increase how much they pay drivers. So instead what they did was they introduced a temporary fuel surcharge that the passenger pays for, right? And then that the driver keeps. And I'm sure, Lyft is taking something in the middle as well. I'm sure they're taking a few cents off of every ride for that. But regardless, they do this in order to, most companies with the rising cost of inflation, they do a 3% raise every year, 5% raise every year, whatever it is, to basically allow normal citizens to get paid more so they can keep up with the rising cost of gas, living expenses, food expenses, just, everyday normal things. Uber and Lyft, on the other hand, they're like, their rates based on studies stay the same. So what they did was they're like, oh, we're gonna introduce a temporary fuel surcharge, and then we're gonna get rid of it. So like, there's the solution that they raise rates, but in reality, look at this. They're launching a new cashback rewards for gas when you pay with Lyft Direct. We've got savings coming up for EV drivers too. Learn more about what's coming up. So you can sign up for Lyft Direct. So Lyft Direct is a debit card. So now, instead of you getting money on your rides, you have to go get this. You have to go apply for this debit card, and you have to fill up with this card. You can get paid now instantly after every ride. So basically, yeah, you get paid through here. I'm assuming this is just your Lyft earnings. So if you're doing multiple apps, yeah, up to 7% back, up to 7% on gas for top drivers. Hire you like 7% cash back for platinum drivers. Yeah, 3% for gold drivers, 2% for silver drivers, and 1% for all card holders at gas stations that accept MasterCard. 1%. So basically, you're getting a 1% cash back. So instead of 55 cents a ride, now you're getting 1% cash back, which on, what, you're paying $5 a gallon, that's 5 cents back per gallon. And if you're doing, that's 50 cents for a tank, $1 for a tank. This is like horrible, guys. And this is what Lyft does. So we have to keep in mind, like, this is the reality.
The Rideshare Guy. Lyft has just announced that they are going to end their fuel surcharge on September 28th. And in lieu of losing the fuel surcharge, they are going to try to push out Lyft Direct to create savings when it comes to going and getting gas. Or you could download the Upside app.
Which again, in my opinion, is absolute BS. I mean, the last thing I want is to go get a frickin' Lyft debit card. I have enough cards. I don't want to go get a Lyft debit card so that I can get 1% back on my gas. It doesn't make any sense at all. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video there, but let me know your thoughts. And again, check out Solo, link below. You're gonna get 10 bucks just for signing up. And this company will make sure you do go out and get guaranteed pay, so you are making money when you go out and drive. So, all right guys, thanks for watching. You guys are the best, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.